Hello, people of YouTube. Here I am with another Lego set review. This is the Blues Helicopter Pursuit from 2018, which is last year. That came out with the release of Jurassic World: Fallen Kingdom. And without any delay, I'll hop into the minifigures. So first up, we have Owen Grady. Has a backpack, and for some reason they gave him a crossbow. Trying to be like Chewbacca, I guess. I actually forgot. Does he have a double-sided face? He does. Let's just take this off. Come on. There. Oops. Whatever. Double-sided face. Come on. There we go. Very angry, stern face when he found out, or not really found out, but well, yeah. When he was connecting with Blue again, but then Wheatley over there and his troops surrounded Blue. He's like, "Yo, what are you guys doing?" Then obviously the other side is kind of a smiley, happy face. Gotta get this hair back on. Yeah, come on. There we go. Good as new. Next, we have Colonel Wheatley. Only one-sided face. He has a stud shooter gun. And a little tooth or spike piece. Because we saw him taking the different teeth from all the different dinosaurs. And he said that he was like gonna make a necklace out of them or whatever. He got his little I forgot what it's called, but all of his tranquilizer darts, back printing, no leg printing, and no double-sided face. And we just get a regular generic pilot for the helicopter. Very detailed printing. And of course his goggles go down. And that's it for the minifigures. Let's move on to Blue, the Velociraptor. Very neat. Not sure if you heard that. That was my stomach growling. After I finished this video, I was about to heat myself up some dinner because I haven't eaten since lunch. But anyway, yeah, Blue's nice. I don't know if I like this design better than the 2015 design, because they're actually pretty different. But this is probably more accurate to the actual movie. But that's whatever. It doesn't matter too much. Then actually let's start with this first. There's a little trap kind of thing. You could fold down all the different gate pieces. I'm not gonna spend time doing that. But, you know, there's a little chicken leg in there to lure Blue in. Like, oh, whoa, there's chicken. Maybe just eat it, and then gets caught in the trap. And there's a little like hook, or a place where a hook can attach onto that, which is actually on the helicopter. I'll get into that later. Nice little addition. I like it. I do wish there was a little more greenery on it. But that's whatever. Next, we have a little quad vehicle thing for Owen to drive. Kind of nice. That's a sticker right there. I don't think there are any printed pieces. My phone is apparently at 20%, so I'm going to try to do this a little bit quicker. Little compartment for stuff, which is attached to the little vehicle by a ball joint. You can kind of see it right there. Spare tire. Neat little addition. So if you lose one of the lose one of the other wheels, you have a spare. On to the helicopter. I'll start with the cockpit. The cockpit just let's see if I can. There we go. Just comes off. Not very well, kind of difficult if you're using one hand, but your non-dominant hand. Seat. That is a sticker. You can kind of see that. I'll just leave the cockpit open. On the underside for the propeller, there's a little knob that spins it for some extra playability. Pretty nice. And wheels on the bottom. There's the hook so that you can hook onto the trap and carry it away. On this side of the helicopter, you got a little seat, which I'm not sure. Well, actually, I was about to say, I'm not sure if you can put a minifigure on there without them falling, but you can clip them onto the little seat pieces right there. And that's the inside of the helicopter. 2 seats on either side. On the other side, got a little gun, machine gun with the 6-stud shooter, where you spin this either way and it shoots the studs. Can move all around. It's on the ball joint like the side seat right there. And very cool. And the little the helicopter number. Nice addition. Back here you got the little tail propeller and more stickers. Pretty cool. And over here we have the little compartment that has a little tranquilizer gun attached to it. Trying to, so I'm pretty sure you can take out the, yeah, here we go. Little compartment, it clips on. Yeah, see if I can open this. A little egg and an extra tranquilizer dart in there. Pretty neat. You could probably also put the egg in the back of the vehicle. It's gonna be very difficult trying to put it. Let's see. Almost got it. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this down. This is very difficult. There we go. All better. You could probably put Wheatley's stud shooter gun on that clip right there. Again, hook on 2 ball joints. It's nice. Oh my god. There. And that is just about it for this set. I like this set. It's really cool. Although Blue never followed a helicopter in the movie, which I don't think is really a spoiler, because you probably should have seen it already. And there's no trap in the movie either, or that thing. But I mean, you could recreate some scenes. But yeah, that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And bye-bye.